Hey Spoolies! Today we're going to be making a bookmark. So first things first, we're going to take one of our fabric pieces and we're going to be making a little fringe for the top of our bookmark. So we're just going to be cutting 2 pieces of some fabric and we're just going to make them a nice little strip. And then we're going to take 2 pieces of our fabric and we're going to pin the top of them together, and we're just going to sew down the one side, and we're going to bring it to the machine and we're going to backstitch. And then once we've completed that, we're going to repeat that with the other piece of fabric. Once you've sewn your 2 pieces together, you will then match the pieces right sides together, and you will take your fringe and insert it at the top of your bookmark, and you will then pin the fringe in place. And then you're going to not stitch this bottom part because that will be the opening where we will turn it right side out. So once we have it, we will sew all the way around, leaving our bottom open. Then we will cut our corners to get rid of any excess bulk. Then we will open it, turn it right side out, and you might need to use your scissors or a toothpick to help push the rest of it out and get all your corners nice and even. And you can even press this if you want. But then you are going to fold the bottom under, then you will pin it in place, and then we're going to top stitch around the entire edge. You're going to get those pins nice and secure in there. So our bookmark is all closed up. Then you're going to top stitch all the way around, and you can even use a fun stitch. We used a zigzag stitch for our bookmark. And next you're going to grab your favorite book, start reading, and then you can use your bookmark.